Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to convert numbers into words. Here for example we have some numbers 23, 45, 28, 79. I have here written some formula here. It's a big formula. I will give the link to the description of this video. You can copy this, copy here and use here. First double click on it, then you can press down the here. But here you can see I have written a cell number that is different. You can see here it's A5. You can change that cell number using you have to copy it here. Suppose I have already copied it here and I have written it A5 cell. You can change the cell name and different things. I will show you here. First I can use this command. It says out of range. You can write down here numbers 45. See, it shows us a $45 and no cents. But you don't want, if you don't want to use these words, this type of words, you can edit it here after copying it from the description link. After downloading this file, here for example I want to use a different cell here. For example, I want to write this cell here. We can edit this notepad here. For example, if you want to use a different cell, for example I will use this cell or this cell. It's up to you which cell you want to convert the number into words. Accordingly you can use the cell here. I have used here A5. You can use for example here C4. I can use Ctrl F and then this A5. Now you have to replace it. Ctrl H, replace it by A5 to C4. Replace all. It have been already replaced. Now for example, if you want to, if you don't want to write down the dollars, if you want to use your own currency, for example rupees or peso or yen, whatever you want to use, you can use it. First I have to select the dollars and I want to convert into rupees. Replace all, and if there must be a dollar as well, convert into rupee. Already converted. And here is also a and cent. You can see and no cents. First see, no, first we have to see whether it's there or not. Ctrl F and yes, it is there. You can just remove it. We can use as it is. No, we don't want anything here. Ctrl save, or here you can save it. And if you want, now we can copy it from here. Ctrl C, and we have written here C4. We can use this formula here, double click on it and then paste it and enter. For example, I will write 79. See, 79 rupees. Or if you don't want rupees as well, you can use that same. For example, I don't want to write anything there. You can edit. You can use Ctrl H and no, I want to find it first. Rupee. I don't want to here write anything. And now find rupee as well. You see, and delete it here and save, and you can again copy it. Here you can see cents as well. Delete it here. It's up to you now. You can edit it as per your requirement. See, now no rupees, nothing is there. You can drag it, see how it's work. 7,868. Yes, it looks fine. So you can copy it from my video on the description link, or you can download this file and copy it and edit it according to your requirement. I hope you find this video informative. Thank you for watching.